Meaning of explanation.
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 Explanation. Explanation is the act of giving a reason or justification for something. It involves clarifying, interpreting, and making sense of information to aid understanding. An explanation provides context, details, and evidence to support a claim or argument. The goal is to help the listener or reader gain insight, solve a problem, or make a decision. Effective explanations are clear, concise, and tailored to the audience's level of expertise. They may use analogies, diagrams, or examples to simplify complex concepts. Ultimately, a good explanation enhances communication, fosters learning, and promotes critical thinking.